Very good day everyone. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing good and stay safe during this pandemic. My name is Pradeep Raj Ravi. The purpose of this video is to deliver my understanding with you all. Today I come up with an interesting topic to share with you all, and the topic is all about understanding needs, motivation, goals. So now you guys get to know that today's topic is it's understanding needs, goals and motivation. First of all, my understanding about this topic is more important element, as there are needs, goals and motivation must be considered by everyone in life to move forward their life. To better understand about this topic, based on the hierarchy Maslow, there are 5 categories which has driven human need towards a product. The first category is physical need. Physical need refer to the most basic need of humans, such as water, food, air, shelter and many more. This basic psychological need is more important for every human before they are moving into next level of fulfillment in their life. The next category based on this hierarchy Maslow is safety needs. Safety needs refer to the security or safety which humans needed from their threat. In this need, humans need protection from threat and theft, emotional stability and health protection and many more. As an example, my family has protection from disease by ensuring our life into the insurance, which is MCIS. The third category in hierarchy Maslow is social needs. Social needs refer more to human relationship with another one. This social need more concern on love, friendship, family of a human needed to be considered in their life. For example, my life is fulfilled with my families and friends and around me. The fourth category of hierarchy Maslow is esteem needs. The esteem need is more important for every human being. These esteem needs are closer to prestige and ego driven needs. Humans who follow this need highly show their status and prestige and ego to another human. The last category of hierarchy Maslow is self-actualization needs. This need refer to the person who wants to fulfill their life as a potential person. For example, this need includes skills, education and etc. Next, we move to the goal. Goal is a projection that plan to achieve. Goals also known as the end result of that motivate behavior. Based on my finding, there are various type of goals. The first type of goal is generic goals. Generic goals more refer to the generic classes of goals that consumers select to fulfill their needs. For example, need of buying clothes. The second goal is product specific goals. Product specific goals are specially branded product or services that consumer select as their goals. It relate with the brand name to represent the value. For example, the jeans that buying must be from unique and different rather be normal one. And the third goal is brand specific goal. Brand specific goals is more to branding of a product, as jeans got many brands to be choose, such as Polo, Crocodile and so on. And the last type of goal is store specific goals. Store specific goals referring from where that product must be purchased. In my opinion, the goals selected by individual depend on their personal experience, physical capacity, goal accessibility in the physical and social environment, and above all the individual culture, norms and values. For example, if a person has a stronger hunger need, they will depend on what is available at the moment. If in case they do not get their desire, then only they will have to select a substitute goal which is more appropriate to the social environment. Besides that, an individual own perception also influence the selection of the goal. This is because the product of a person owns, will like to own or would not like to own, are often perceived in terms of how closely they are consistent with the person's self-image. Moreover, failure to achieve goal can lead to a person frustration. So the substitute goal are used when a consumer cannot attain a specific goals. This substitute goal will dispel tension, and substitute goals also may actually replace the primary goal over time. So the last one for today is understanding motivation. Motivation is the driving force within individuals that impel them to action. Basically, motivation runs through 3 stages, which is drive, behavior and third one is goal. Based on the figure, this driving force is the result of tension, which in turn is because of unfilled needs. To reduce tension, every individual strive for fulfilling their needs. This basically depends on each individual how they fulfill their needs. For example, individual thinking and learning through experience. Therefore, marketers try to influence the consumer cognitive process. So guys, as a conclusion, we get to know that need, goals, motivation for important for every human being, and also as well as retailers to improve their capabilities in offering a product to a consumer. That's all for today. Thank you so much.